Hi guys, this is our vlog for my vlog, my Valentine's vlog with Ella, Ayla, and Elana. And I hope you guys enjoy it. This is going to be a short vlog. And yeah,
Kasi babe, nag-ano
this is our meal.
Kasi babe, ano ka?
Eliana, say hi.
Her, looks good.
Ayla, say hi. Ella, say hi.
And then, magaganakin na lang yan. Ako magsisimula pa lang ako eh.
Ito pala nababawas ko.
May mag-picture pa tayo later.
Mamaya.
Hold on.
Later, eat mo na, tapos kwentuhan. Dito tayo sa labas kumas. Okay na, okay na.
Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's.
Good night, Ella.
Ano ko nung muna, nung ngayon, nung pagkatapos na, busog na.
Anong masasabi mo sa food natin?
Ano? The best.
The best. Ikaw, anong masasabi mo sa food natin? Parking. Hi, Eliana. Hello.
Guys, Corazón te suprime, no te pedí, era sentido el costayo ya sin ti. Sacrificaba ang napili, ngayon ang puso ko ay sawi. Na madama mo rin ang pait at bighati. Sana'y magmilagro, mali ay maidiretso. Pinagdarasalo sa aking puso na mabura na sa itis ko.
Taray, pang tawag ng tanghali.
Okay na, nalabas.
Someone bought me a flowers as a late gift for Valentine's. Thank you, Kylie. Look at that. You made this yourself?
Ako nagpa-arrange.
Oh
Like
my
yung...
God, ang ganda.
Ako nagbigay ng inspo.
Oh my God, that's so pretty. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, so we're here in Philly Grove. I'm with Kylie. We're going to play golf. And then at the course today. It's a 9-hole golf course. And yeah, come with me as we play golf today. Wait, can I ask for also like the menu po? I would order.
Yan ang kukunin ko.
Bakit?
Like the ano.
Oh.
Punta rin.
Ano yung sa Ano yung picture?
Okay, thank you. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
Hindi ba din gayon lang? Ay, di-call or ano?
Pwede naman magpasunod.
Pwedeng cut na lang yung part ko. Because I'm having a crisis right.
Nice ka doon. Totoo si Kai.
If ever man mabulag ako, di ko kaya.
Kaya ka.
Especially in this place. Because people here knows me. And kaya maingay talaga kami.
Stop running your mouth! Food review. Food critic na kita.
The pizza is so good. This is mushroom with prosciutto. So good.
May
Hi. So this is can you go shoes? This is the Loewe X on Cloud shoes. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Love it. Ito lang yung sa akin. Okay, guys, so how much is it to play golf here in Pili Grove? $650 is the base price for 9 holes. And then, I'm not sure. I'm gonna show you na lang, guys, the price list. Hey guys, so this is the golf course. We're going to play the first hole over here. So let's go. And then one ball po siya yung Christian.
Pabit-bit mo kasi yan. Oo. Wala mo. Ginagawa?
Max, ikaw lang?
Kami dalawa.
Can I join my niece?
Yes, sure. Sure, yes. Ano naman?
Number 1 basher.
Oo, no bashing. No bashing.
Ano ba next? Ito yung last na. Hindi.
Dito sa blue. Agad yung hanggang. Ito talaga si
Oops. Ay, ito grabe talaga.
Lakad-lakarin mo na. Okay, wait lang.
Pag kunyari, dito yung ball, dapat dito.
I-close mo pa konti pati yung ano mo. Yung
Alam, mas maganda yung last time kong laro, no?
magaling ka nun sa pating.
Oh, what can you say?
Okay. I guess.
Bawal na sa vlog ko.
I would say yes.
Sito na rin.
Bawal.
Ha?
Sito na rin.
Sito na rin.
Pabili nga po, sito na rin. Wala na rin, green na lang. Hindi pwede yan. Ayaw ko uminom na.
Kung ano yung sinasabi nito.
Sito na green, ayaw mo?
Wow.
Can I buy sito na red?
Wala na.
Oo, sito na red.
Amazing.
Laging sa taas tinatamaan ng bola. Pitch mo. Kaya ka na ba?
Oh, pangatlo na yan.
Guys, alam niyo ba?
Guys, pumunta talaga ako dito para sa picture. Pero the sun is out. Tara na. Wait na tayo. You have to get it. Yes. That's all. This one.
Ay, nalaog niya na, malakailing.
Second to the best.
Yun ako, no.
You're gonna hit it hard. So guys, look at my ball.
Huh?
The winning ball. Pakita mo sa'yo. Loser ball. What? Winning ball. Loser ball. Ito guys yung ball ng nananalo na. Nako. Halata. Hi guys, kumusta? I like it
Ewan.
here.
Golf
There's a
is-
bench. Yeah, golf is not for me talaga. But I tried.
Hi guys, so I am already home. I wasn't able to vlog everything. I got so tired from playing. Sobrang nakakapagod maglaro, as in we played 9 holes and then we finished around 6:30 p.m. May dalawa kaming ka-flight, si Rocky and then si Chloe. It was a very fun game but at the same time exhausting kasi it's been like 2 months that I haven't played golf. And yeah, ano pa ba? I think that's pretty much it. I just want to say thank you for watching this vlog. I promise that next time I'll vlog na mas maayos. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Thank you.